gawain sa bahay. It's actually around 12 midnight na. Pero tuloy ang laban. Tuloy natin ang pagka-unbox. Okay. So, yun na nga, naglibot kami kanina to get our very first gaming laptop. Actually, this is not just for games. Of course, work din. Ito na yung magiging main system ko. Kasi currently, ang gamit ko sa ProDesk G4 600E. ProDesk 600 G4 yata yun. And so I looked for a better one. And I looked for a portable one para if needed lumabas kami or pumunta sa ibang lugar, hindi na kailangang mag-leave. Dala ko na yung trabaho ko anywhere. And before I proceed to the unboxing, gusto ko munang shout out ang aking mga mahalang kaibigan na nagbigay sa akin ito. This is their giveaway ng wedding nila, December 16. And best wishes again. Congratulations, Mong and Vivian. Ganda ng giveaway nila. And another thing is that I want to thank, of course, the company where I'm working at, My Mountain Movers. T-shirt to galing sa kanila, tapos ko sa amin. So together we move mountains. Yes. So together we move mountains. So as small as mustard seed, kaya mag-move ng mountains. So hindi ko na patatagalin. Simulan na natin. So we went to 2 places. Kasi sa second place, 3 places pala. Sa isang place na napuntahan namin, medyo fail. Then sa second and third, talagang namili na kami ng unit na gagamitin namin or purchase namin. So we ended up with a really good deal. So dito sa Micro Valley, right? We ended up when we purchased the item or the laptop, binigyan kami ng opportunity to have 2,000 worth of accessories. So what we have is this. Ito yung choice mismo ni Mrs. Kasi gusto niya ng earphones or earpods, pero walang earpods eh. So she got a JBL earphones. So Harman Kardon na ata yung speaker nito, yung drivers niya. Yeah, by Harman na eh. So I believe this is a really good set of entry-level earphones. And then on my end, since bagong laptop, maganda may partnered na maganda at bagong cooler. Yan. So 6 fans siya. Yan na natin. Para may better view tayo. Kasi yung current fan ko dun is yung luma is yung 1 fan lang. So magiging cooler ng ating gaming laptop. Wow, pero kable, fairness. Tuwa ako sa kulay ng kable. Well, ang preferred color talaga namin ever since is ako, especially red, white, and black. So, you know. So, may 6 fans siya. Red, na may LED rin sa loob na red. Adjustable yung height nung stand sa likod. Yan. So, adjustable siya. Then, dual control ng fans. Dito yung for tinakpan to for AC adapter pero hindi ko na dito sa number. Then this is yung sa USB. Then may stopper siya ng laptop. Kung naka-incline yung laptop nyo, yung position nyo sa kanya. Yan. May stopper siya. So naka-stayo siya sa naka-stand. Naka-stand pa rin. Hindi malalaglag yung laptop. And then again, that's how it looks. The brand is DCC002, but the brand, that's the brand. Delta Force by hindi nakalagay. Basta nakalagay GCC 002 Gaming Laptop Cooling Equipment. Yan. So this is one of the freebies again. Then, ito na. Nakikita nyo nakatali pa talaga. Hindi ko pa talaga binubuksan. Then the laptop came with a bag. So, yung bag na kasama, of course, it's brand name. No? So, ang nakuha namin is Acer. Yan. So, tingnan natin yung bag. Actually, hawak ko pala, makapal na yung pads. Tignan natin. Ooh, water resistant siya. Yan. Ooh, cool. Oh, diba? Kapag sumayo, oh, red din. Loob. Color preference, black and red. Yan o. Ito ba meron sa kanyang features. So, water resistant siya. Straps niya, water resistant. Padded siya. Air cool. Good. Adjustable. This is plastic ba po? I think it's hard plastic. Kasi zippers niya. Anti-theft yung style ng ano. Zippers niya. So, ito yung interior niya. So, padded siya. So, may pocket siya for your pens, IDs, or whatnot. So, ito yung sa laptop. Padded din siya. Black red. So, designed talaga siya for office use, I believe. Yeah.
Pero gagawin natin siya hindi office use, yeah? Magiging ano yan, bag ng
travel to.
lagayin ng damit, yeah? May chobi-chobi here.
Kasama na yan. So, without further ado,
namimigay namin yung picture. Parang waterproof.
water resistant siya.
Resistant.
Ito na siya. Acer.
Woo! Guys, ang ganda. Ang dami niya pamasko, guys. New phone, new laptop. Ano pa? Ano pa?
Okay lang lahat yung new. Huwag lang ang new.
Huwag lang ako magiging
Asawa
new.
Okay, check contents of seal is broken. Ako na.
Ano ka naman? Malaking na lang.
Microvalve. Yan, mention natin. So, kanina sa microvalve, of course, tinest na siya on until ma-reach yung desktop. So, binox siya ulit ng maigi. So, yun natin. Ito na siya. May full up box siya. Yun natin. So this is what's inside that brown box. This is the unit we bought. Nitro 5. Lies within. Sa gilid, nandiyan yung specs niya. It's very small actually. Design na lang. So it came with an i5 12th gen. So i5 12500H, meaning high powered. Yung U kasi is yung low power. 15.6 inches Full HD IPS with 144 Hz slim bezels. It came with a graphics card na NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 with 4 gig VRAM GDDR6 dedicated VRAM. So RTX I believe is yung mga ray tracing. I believe is ano to eh, yung real-time tracing ng tutok ng ilaw sa mga details or characters when you're playing a game. It came with stock na 8GB na DDR4 with a clock 3200 MHz RAM. And what's good about this is that yung mga freebies kanina hindi pa doon nagtatapos. Since na-purchase ko siya right before the year ends, ang maganda dito, pupunta ako sa Acer next week and I will be getting a free 8GB na RAM again dun sa second slot nung RAM niya for free coming from Acer. Pamasko nila yun. Yan. And then it came with 512GB na NVMe SSD. So mabilis na yun. So Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, 57 watt-hour lithium-ion batteries, and then may 1-month trial siya for Microsoft 365 customers. Manufacture year 2022, so bagong-bago. Yon. So I think that's it, yung nakasuot dyan. So, yan yung mga nasa loob ng brown box na yun. So, bubuksan natin siya, no? First of all, ang hirap ng madisgrasya. So, yan siya. So, pull up ko muna tong isang box na black dito. Ba naman ito? I'm thinking it's the power brick. Yes, hindi nga ako nagkamali. It's the power brick. So, the power brick cable. Yan. 3-pronged cable. Then, the power brick itself. This is a 180 watt charger. Some small screws. I'm not sure kung para sa ito. Oh, there's a data cable. Okay, hard disk upgrade cable. So I think this is expandable pa yung sa loob. I think if I remember correctly, may nagbukas nito, nakita ko sa YouTube. May space doon wherein you can add a hard disk. And then there's another slot for an NVMe M2. So, expand mo siya ng gusto. Well, the processor can power it up and the RAM can power it up as well. So, let's see. Napag muna natin ulit yung power brick. What else is inside? Okay. I think ang nasa loob na is yung unit itself. Teka. So, these are the paperworks. I think this is the manual. Styro pa lang yan mismo. Mukha ng spaceship. Made from 100% recycled LDP. I'm not sure what LDP is. Pero styro pa lang mismo niya is asbagin na.
Natuwa agad sa style, no?
So, tanggalin natin siya sa style. So, nakabalot siya sa parang cloth. Cloth. Namumunos ko nung salamin niya. Then, medyo mabigat siya actually compared to the other laptop that we have. And yun o, nagpakita na ang kapugian niya.
Ganda niya ba?
Yan o.
Kita niya ba? Oh, parang spaceship.
Yan o. Actually, yung likod niya asbagin talaga yun. Astig. Parang spaceship.
Parang spaceship nga. Ang ganda. Pakita ko, ganun mo. Here, guys.
Yung mga vents. So, physically, sa left side, we have the LAN port. We have one USB drive. I think this is USB 3. And then we have the combined 3.1 jack for a headset. And then at the back, we have a full HDMI if you want to extend your display. Actually, ako gagamitin ko talaga kasi meron akong 34-inch dito. And then we have a Thunderbolt port here. Then this is yung charger port. What else is at the back? I think wala naman na. Then at the right side, we have vents again. And then 2 USB slots. Battery indicator. Yan, and power indicator. Yan. Charging indicator pala yun. Sa harap, it's very clean. And sa ilalim, yan, it's full of vents. So, saktong-sakto talaga yung cooler na nabili kasi sapul na sapul talaga siya ng hangin. So, rubber, footing. Yeah ba? Naka-extend lang yung buntot.
Hindi ata nakita. Taas ko pa. Yung...
Naka-extend lang na onti yung buntot. But it's nice. So it has like 1, 2, 3, 4 vents. Actually, maganda yun.
Red and black.
And then sa ilalim na
Red and black.
yung mga vents. So buksan natin. Tingnan natin yung itsura sa loob. Yan, no? So meron lip cover. So makita nyo dyan, sticker ng i5, sticker ng RTX, and yan. Then syempre, track. Then some specs, some detailed specs niya. Nitro 5, M.2 support plus HDD slot. O yun nga, may space na for a hard disk. Saka isa pang slot ng M.2. Then Nitro Sense, I think this is for temperature. Clear double shot pro for connectivity. Dual fan with quad exhaust port. Oh, tama pala yan. So, apat nga. Apat na exhaust port. It's dual fan, left and right here. Thunderbolt full function, Thunderbolt 4, then HDMI 2.1. That's it. Speakers, DTS-X, 144 Hz, full HD monitor. Speaker ito na sa harap. So, I'll just turn it on. Pero we will not be discussing yung kung how it runs, so on and so forth. Unboxing lang tayo. Haba masyado. Next time yan. Tingnan natin. So, we turn it on. Boom! Red keypads talaga. Red keyboard. And my preference talaga. Less than 10 seconds nasa desktop na. That's how fast it is. Still. Boom. At first view, ano masasabi ko? Colors, I guess this is IPS level kasi, so parang sa cellphone, no? Colors, iba pa rin ang AMOLED, I may say. Pero syempre, if I remember correctly, I read in some reviews na ang Nitros, especially in display, they're not built for it. Iba pa rin yung sa build nung tough gaming, no? Pero since ako kasi kaya itong pinili ko, mas lamang naman siya sa reliability as per the reviews I've read so far. Kaya nag-decide ako ito ang pinili. Another thing is that I'll be using my monitor, yung 34 inches ko na 120Hz gaming monitor na Xiaomi. That's the reason why. So I'll just use this as a backup monitor, like extension yun. Pero nandun lahat ang activity sa monitor ko sa Xiaomi. Yun. So I'm very excited to use this. So ngayong gabi, set up ko na to on the tools I'll be using and everything else. And I want to thank you so much for your time. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please of course subscribe to the video and follow us for more videos in the future. And of course, hit maybe quite late, but Merry Christmas again. And
New Year.
Happy New Year, alright everyone. God bless us all. Bye-bye. Hindi na ako makahintay umuwi. Habang hinihintay yung pagkain namin, detestingin ko na kung mapapatakbo yung God of War Ragnarok.
Pala yun.
So nakabit na yung 16 gig, 8 gig na free. So 16 gig na siya in total. Ingatan lang sa pagbukas yung Nitro 5 kasi may issue ang mga Nitro 5 daw sa screen. Bilis na niya mag-boot up. Lalo. So, pasok na siya.
Bilis.
Ayun na siya. Dati po lang. Ayan o. 16 gig na siya. So try na natin. Tingnan natin kung goods na siya. So first time ko siyang rinaran. How smooth is that?
Gawa na naman siya sa laruan niya.
This is it, pansit. So tingnan natin yung settings. Tinodo ko, hinay ko lahat. Tingnan natin.
Yung bata.
So far hindi ko alam controls nito, hindi ko naman daruin. Gusto ko lang siya i-try. Tinodo ko agad lahat ng graphics specs niya or adjustments niya.
God of War.
So siguro kung magko-comment lang ako, hindi ako addict na gamer ha. Hindi ako yung gamer talaga. Pero gusto ko lang maglaro. Siguro visually, smooth talaga siya. Siguro napapansin ko lang, ewan ko, yung parang kumikinang-kinang yung balbas sa puso.
Umikinang yung balbas. Lapit natin.
Tapos yung usok, ayan o. Pero so far, yung laro mismo is smooth. Ang responsive niya.
Oo, kumikinang-kinang yung balbas.
Pero napaka-responsive niya. Excited na ako laruin ko sa big screen.